How to log into FedEx Workday account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to log into your FedEx Workday login. First off, you're going to have to search for FedEx Workday login down on your web browser. Click on the first link that you see, fedex.com. And here you should be able to see an option to log into your account. Simply go ahead and click on the login button. So you should be able to find it at the top right. Tap on the account icon. Click on sign up or login. And once you tap on it, you'll be taken directly over to your login page where you have to provide your username or ID and your account number. So just enter your user ID and then your password. If you want to view your password, click on this I button right beside your password field, and you should be able to see your password. And if you want the browser to remember your user ID, if you're using a personal device, you can turn this one on, but I do not recommend doing it in a public computer or your work computer. So once you do that, just tap on this login button and you should be able to sign in without any problem. Now, if you forgot your user ID or password, you'll always have to link to reset them down below on the login button. So if you tap on those, you should be able to select what you want to reset. For example, if I want to reset my password, I'll just provide user ID here. They'll send me a verification code. I can enter that code and use it to reset my password. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.